Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make a leaderboard in Roblox Studio. Right away we're going to select a template. We'll use the base plate, and after selecting the base plate we're going to go over to the Explorer, and if you're not seeing Explorer you can go over to View and click on Explorer to see it, and if it's not showing like this you're going to see it right now because we just clicked on it. So now we're going to go over to where we have Server Script Service, and we're going to click on the plus icon. We're looking for a script, and you can see under frequently used, you can see script here, or you can search for script yourself. We're going to click on it, and here you can see our script is ready to be written. Then we're going to rename this to Leaderboard. Press and enter to save it, and then we will be pasting in a code. Now the link to this code will be found in the description of this video. So now we have this code, and we have two basic categories. We have kills and we have gold. So this basically has two columns, and we're going to go over to play to see how it is. Now, as you can see, we have our leaderboard here. You can see people, you can see my username and kills and gold. If you'd like to make changes to these options here, you can go back by clicking on stop at the top left corner here, and you're going to change the name here and here. You could also change gold from here and here. Basically, you're changing the variable to something else. You're also going to have to change all of this wherever kills is. You're going to change it to whatever else you want. Then after which you can click on play again. And here you can see the leaderboard. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching.